Hello friends, welcome to Pandit Invest Rita.25.in. Let we discuss the Nifty and the Bank Nifty prediction, weekly predictions for the coming days. Friends, this is the Nifty line chart, day chart of the Nifty, and wave count 1, 2, 3 and 4 are done, and maybe we are going downside and wave 3 of third will start soon if Nifty holding below 9170 on closing basis. If this chart is valid as long Nifty closing below 9170. If close above 9170, then this chart will negate. So we assume that third of 1 and third of 2 has done subwave and maybe start soon third of 3 for the target minimum 8500 level and below. Friends, this is the Nifty weekly chart, and wave A has done from 12,430 to 7,511, and maybe wave B has done at 9890 or still in progress. If it's still in progress, then the Nifty should not break 8700 on the downside, and we might see to retest 9890 in the coming days, and if surpass this level, then we might see 10,000 on the coming days. Now this is the weekly RSI chart, and is showing a positive diversion. As long RSI is turning up, weekly RSI, Nifty will not fall. So we can see an upward rally till 9260 in the coming days, and if close above, then 10,000 levels. This is the weekly MACD of the Nifty, and is if turn up, then we might see 9260, 9600 and 10,000 levels on the upside. This is the Nifty day chart, and wave A is done and wave B of B in progress or done at 8806 levels, and if done at 8806, then we might see 9250 on this week, and if close above 9250 two closing sessions, then we might see 9890 to 10,000 and above in the coming sessions. Now this is the day RSI of the Nifty, and it show a positive start with a positive diversion, but now it's slightly bending, so we might see a support near 8950 to be watched, should not be broken. Can you please like the channel? Those who are the new viewers, new viewers, please subscribe the channels and kindly like the channel. This is a Nifty hourly chart. As you can see, the upper channel is a 9260 resistance and a lower channel 8500, and if break either side, we can see a breakout or breakdown levels. And this is the Nifty hourly RSI, and it's showing it is in oversold zone regions, and if we break out from this here, then we might see 9600 on Friday. So Nifty weekly range should be on upper side 9260 this week, and on the downside a break 8700, then we might see 8500 on the lower side. So the range of the Nifty this week 9260 and 8500 on the lower side. Please like the channels and can kindly subscribe the channels. Now I will discuss about the Bank Nifty weekly. Friends, this is the bank day chart, line chart of the Bank Nifty, and you can see it is similar just like a Nifty, where 1, 2, 3 and 4 has done, and we are still in progress of third at to break down. So 16,980 to be watched, and if break down that level, then we might see 16,000 on the downside. So now this is the chart of the weekly chart of the Bank Nifty, as I mark at wave A has done and wave B in progress or start. Wave A B of B has done at 17,100 levels. Last video I have done the we have given a target of the Bank Nifty 17,000. We almost done the target and did low 17,100 levels. So if pause here, then we might see 18,000 to 20,000 on the upside in the way of wave B. So if break 17,000 levels, then we might see 16,000 in the form of wave 5 as per Bank Nifty weekly chart. This is the weekly MACD, and you can see that bank nifty weekly MACD is turning down and not showing any positive diversions, is still in a negative zone. So we might see 16,900 to break and 16,000 levels on the downside, and if bank nifty is still turn go southward directions. So be alert on the bank nifty. If breaks 16,950 or 80 on closing basis, then we might see downside levels. This bank nifty weekly RSI is started with uptrend, but again is got a resistance and is turning down, and if break down, then we might see 16,000 on the downside. So let's watch what will happen in the coming days. So please be alert on the level side. If level is broken 16,950, we will see 16,000 to 15,500 on the downside in the bank nifty in coming days. This is the day chart of the bank nifty. Wave A has done from 32,613 to 16,116, and maybe wave 4 has done, and wave 3 in progress, wave 5 in progress, and to 16,980, or wave B of B in progress. If pause here near 17,000, then we might see wave C of B towards 24,000 in the month of June. So let's see what will happen in the bank nifty, and because bank nifty is showing weakness than nifty, and if close below 16,950, then we are going to 16,000 to 15,500 in the downside on the bank nifty. Now friends, this can be the chart of this is the chart of bank nifty day RSI. As you can see, it's trading near oversold zone, and if breakout from these regions, then we might see 18,000 on the upside and then 18,400 in the bank nifty. This is the bank nifty hourly chart. As you can see, the low channel breakdown point is 16,750 and upside 18,000 levels, and if break close above 18,050 or 18,400, then we might see 19,000 to 20,000 on the bank nifty. So, and now this is the bank nifty hourly RSI. So it is in a midpoint, either it will break down or break out. So let me watch what will happen in this week. So finally, the bank nifty weekly range on the upside is 18,400 and on downside 16,000 levels. Kindly like the channel. Those who are the new viewers, kindly subscribe the channel and please press the bell notifications so that you will get all the update in your YouTube inbox. So thank you for watching these videos. Please like the channel and kindly subscribe the channels. So let me see in the next video. So wait for that. Thank you for watching it. Thank you.